welcome to my channel. I am Well-Read Black Girl Tips, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make green velvet cupcakes with no mixer at all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more videos like this. To recreate this recipe, you will need some sifted flour, some granulated sugar, some green food coloring, some vegetable oil, some cocoa powder, some milk, some vanilla powder, some iodized salt, some baking soda, some white vinegar, and an egg. Start by pouring your sifted flour into a dry, large mixing bowl and add in some sugar. Add in some cocoa powder, some green food coloring, and some baking soda, some vanilla powder, some iodized salt, and mix. After mixing, set aside. In another mixing bowl, pour some vegetable oil, add some milk, some white vinegar, and an egg. Once that is well combined, add some already mixed food coloring and mix again. Once that is well combined, set down and start adding in your dry ingredients. You want to do this a little at a time so as to avoid little clusters or little balls. If your batter turns out a little runny, add some more flour or the rest of your dry ingredients like I did in the video. Mix till you get this texture and consistency. Then you want to grab your already lined cake mold and fill in a little at a time. Make sure you're filling just up to 3/4 of the cake liners. And this is what they look like before putting into the oven. And this is what they look like fresh out of the oven. And voila, you have your green velvet cake. Moist as always, fluffy, soft. This is me about to have a taste of some green velvet cupcakes. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.